Good morning, students. Today I will explain you the chapter 27 World Famous International Stadiums. So, students, what are stadiums? किसे कहते हैं स्टेडियम? वो ग्राउंड जिसमें स्पोर्ट्स खेला जाता है. Yes. So, students, stadium are places where sports are being played. जहाँ पर स्पोर्ट्स खेला जाता है. Or we can say a large structure, usually with no roof, where people can sit and watch sports. Okay. So, students, can you tell me what is the difference between stadium and ground? क्या डिफरेंस होता है स्टेडियम और ग्राउंड में? A ground is where you would find a stadium as well as a pitch and a car park and club offices, etc. The stadium then is just the thing people sit into, watch the action on the pitch, and all of this happens at the football ground. Okay, let's know more about them. First, Melbourne Cricket Ground, or we can say MCG. It is the oldest continuously operating sports arena in the world. Arena means a large flat area surrounded by seats used for sports or entertainment. Arena in the world is also one of the largest with a capacity of 100,000, and it is built in 1854. The ground is an Australian sports stadium located in Yarra Park, Melbourne, Victoria. This stadium is founded and managed by the Melbourne Cricket Club, and it is the largest stadium in the Southern Hemisphere, and also it is the 11th largest globally and the second largest ground by capacity after Motera Stadium. Motera Stadium, officially known as Sardar Patel Stadium, is a cricket stadium in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, in India. As of 2020, it is the largest cricket stadium in the world and the second largest stadium overall with a sitting capacity of 110,000 spectators. It is owned by the Gujarat Cricket Association and is a venue for Test, ODI and T20 cricket matches. The MCG is within walking distance of the city centre and is served by Richmond and Jollymont railway stations as well as the Route 70 tram. It is a part of the Melbourne Sports and Entertainment Precinct. Okay. Now, Churchill Downs. It is the grandfather of American horse racing venues and is truly a historic landmark. It has been operational since 1875. Churchill Downs, the world's most legendary racetrack, known as the home of the Kentucky Derby and the Kentucky Oaks. Churchill Downs Racetracks conducts thoroughbred horse racing in Louisville, Kentucky. During three race meets in the spring, September, and the fall, the racetrack occupies 147 acres, featuring a 1 mile dirt oval racetrack and a 7 furlong turf race course. The backside bands located behind the racetrack house more than 5,000 horses each year. Thoroughbred racing, the Kentucky Derby and the Kentucky Oaks have run continuously at Churchill Downs racetracks since 1875. In addition, Churchill Downs Racetracks has hosted the Breeders' Cup World Championship 8 times over the course of 3 centuries. The track has completed several massive renovation projects to modernize its venerable grandstand and clubhouse and to accommodate its more than 165,000 guests on Kentucky Derby Day. Modernization projects have included the construction of private luxury suites and integrated simulcast areas, the installation of permanent lights to operate nighttime race programs and building. The Big Bold, the world's largest 4K video screen. The twin spires that sit atop the grand strands remain the most recognizable architectural features of Churchill Downs and serve as a symbol of the racetrack. The spires were designed by architect Joseph Dominic Valdez and were built in 1895. They shine across the world's most legendary racetrack each night. Okay. Third, Anfield. An Anfield is a football stadium in Merseyside, England, which has a sitting capacity of 54,074, making it the seventh largest football stadium in England. It has been the home of Liverpool FC since their formation in 1892. It is the home of Liverpool Football Club since their formation in 1892. It was originally the home of Everton from 1884 to 1891 before they moved to Goodison Park after a dispute with the club president. The stadium has 4 stands: the Spine, Kop, the main stand, the Sir Kenny Dalglish stand, and the Enfield Road. The record attendance of 61,905 was set at a match between Liverpool and Wolverhampton Wanderers in 1952, and the ground converted to an all-seater. All-seater means it is a sports stadium in which every spectator has a seat. In 1994, as a result of the Taylor Report. Taylor Report means it is the report of an inquiry which was overseen by Lord Justice Taylor. Lord Justice Taylor, which reduced its capacity. The two gates at the stadium are named after former Liverpool managers Bill Shankly and Bob Paisley. Both managers have been honored with statues outside the stadium. Shankly's unveiled in 1997 by the Cop Stand and the Paisley's in 2020 by the main gate. The ground is 2 miles, means 3 kilometers, from Liverpool Lime Street railway station. It was proposed in 2002 to replace the stadium with a new one in the adjacent Stinley Park. But after the acquisition of Liverpool FC by Fenway Sports Group in 2010, it was made clear this would not happen. Construction of an extension to the main stand began on 8 December 2014. This extension, one of the largest all-seater single stands in European football, opened to the public on 9 September 2016, increasing the stadium capacity to 54,074. There are future plans to expand the Enfield Road stand, which would bring the stadium size to around 61,000. Okay. Fourth, Old Trafford. It is the home ground of Manchester United. Old Trafford is one of the oldest and the most fabled sports arenas in the world, built in 1910. It has become one of the most advanced and appealing stadiums in the world. It is a cricket ground in Greater Manchester, England, and is opened in 1857 as the home of Manchester Cricket Club and has been the home of Lancashire County Cricket Club since 1864. From 2013 onwards, it has been known as Emirates Old Trafford due to sponsorship deal with the Emirates airline. It is England's second oldest test venue after the Oval. Oval is an international cricket ground and hosted the first Ashes Test in England in July 1884. The venue has hosted the Cricket World Cup 5 times, that is 1975, 1979, 1983, 1999, and 2019. Old Trafford holds the record for both World Cup matches and semi-finals hosted. In 1956, the first 10 bowling figures of 19 wickets for 90 runs, a bowling record which is unmatched in Test and first class cricket. In 1990, a 17-year-old Sachin Tendulkar scored 199 not out against England, which was the first of his 100 international centuries. In the 1993 Ashes Test at Old Trafford, leg spinner Shane Warne bowled, bowled Mike Gatting, means Michael William Gatting. He is an English former cricketer who played first class cricket for Middlesex with the ball of the century. In 2020, the ground was unused as one of two biosecure venues alongside the Aegis Ball, means it is the cricket ground and hotel complex in West End in the England. For the towns involving West Indies and Pakistan, which were regulated due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. Now, fifth, that is Fenway Park. It is constructed in 1912. Fenway Park. It is the oldest Major League Baseball stadium in America and also famous for its unique architectural features. Fenway Park. It is a baseball park in Boston that is home to the Red Sox. The city's America League, means it is the one of the two associations in the United States and Canada of professional baseball teams designated as major leagues. It is opened in 1912 and it is the oldest stadium in Major League Baseball and one of its most famous. In 1911, Red Sox owner John I. Taylor was looking for locations to build a new ballpark. And later that year his father bought more than 365,000 square feet of land in the Bayston neighborhood of Fenway's Kenmare. In September, work began on a stadium that Taylor called Fenway Park. While he claimed the name was inspired by the location, some suggested it promoted his family's company, Fenway Realty. The steel and concrete park was largely designed by James McClure. The first baseball game at the stadium was played on April 9, 1912 with the Red Sox defeating Hayward College in an exhibition match. And the first professional game there was held on April 20, a 7-6 Red Sox victory over the New York Highlanders. At the time, however, Fenway was unfinished. Plans for a second deck had been scrapped, and much of the seating was not in place. Constructions continued throughout the season, with right and left field bleachers being installed by the start of the World Series, which Boston was won over the New York Giants. Okay, students, now another stadium. After the discussion of these five oldest stadiums, let's move to another stadium, that is Wembley Stadium is a football stadium and it is situated in London, which opened in 2007. This stadium hosts major football matches, including home matches of the England national football team and the FA Cup final. Okay. Second, Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium. It is a picturesque cricket stadium and located in the city of Dharamshala. Okay. Now let's move to the classwork. And the first exercise is fill the table with the names of the cities and countries where the stadium belongs. Students, here some stadium names are given and you have to learn the city and country where these stadiums are belong. So let's move. First, the first stadium is Rangrado May Day Stadium. The city in which this stadium is belong is that Pyongyang, and the country is North Korea. Okay. Second, Ben Hill Griffin Stadium. It is present in Florida City and the country in which it belongs, that is United States. Okay. Third, Murrayfield Stadium. The city is Edinburgh and the country is Scotland. Fourth, Eden Gardens. It is situated in Kolkata city and it is the country this stadium is belong is India. Fifth, Aviva Stadium. City is Dublin and country is Ireland. Sixth, Etihad Stadium. The city is Manchester and the country is England. Seventh, Subiaco Oval. The city is Perth and country is Australia. Eighth, Orlando Stadium. The city is Johannesburg and the country is South Africa. Ninth, R. Premadasa Stadium. The city is Colombo and country Sri Lanka. 10. Bangabandhu National Stadium. The city is Dhaka and the country is Bangladesh. Okay, students. Now come to the homework, and that is fill in the blanks. Students, here some fill-ups are given and you have to fill it, okay, in your notebook. I am telling you the answer also. Student, please listen carefully and note down in your notebook. Okay. Now first is Dash Stadium is a football stadium in Wembley, London. आपको यहाँ स्टेडियम का नेम बताना है जो एक फुटबॉल स्टेडियम है और ये वेम्बले लंदन में सिचुएटेड है. ओके, तो इसका आंसर क्या है? द आंसर इज वेम्बले. WEMBLEY. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड फिलअप. हिमाचल प्रदेश क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन स्टेडियम, ये भी एक स्टेडियम का नाम है. इज ए पिक्चरेस्क क्रिकेट स्टेडियम, ये क्रिकेट स्टेडियम है एंड लोकेटेड इन द सिटी ऑफ डैश. द आंसर इज धर्मशाला. DHARAMSHALA, धर्मशाला. हिमाचल प्रदेश क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन स्टेडियम is a picturesque cricket stadium located in the city of Dharamshala. Now third, Anfield Stadium is the dash largest stadium in England. The answer is 7th. Anfield Stadium is the 7th largest stadium in England. Okay. Now move on. Fourth fill-up. In this two blank are given. Dash Lake Stadium, officially known as Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Krirangan, is a multi-purpose stadium in Dash. यहाँ आपको उस स्टेडियम का नेम बताना है और ये कहाँ सिचुएटेड है वो बताना है. सो द आंसर इज सॉल्ट लेक, SALT. Salt Lake Stadium, officially known as Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Krirangan, is a multi-purpose stadium in Dash. Answer is Kolkata. Last, Dash Stadium is the world's largest stadium by capacity and was opened in 1989. ये वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट स्टेडियम है, ठीक है, एंड और इसकी कैपेसिटी भी ज़्यादा है. इसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो है ऑडियंस देख सकते हैं एंड इट वॉज ओपनड इन 1989. द आंसर इज रुगरादो मेडे. रुगरादो मेडे, RUGRADO. रुगरादो मे, MAY, मे, DAY, डे. रुगरादो मेडे स्टेडियम is the world's largest stadium by capacity and was opened in 1989. Clear, students? Okay. Thank you.